Now we're back. There you go, there's a menu. You can't really read it, but you click on it, opens up. If you don't see it, then you can go down. Works. Cool. Menu's up. Yeah, so did you want, so how we're doing it is they're coming in two in one. So it's one 9-ounce glass bottle. That would be 2 servings of the PS I Love You that we would have in here. Okay, perfect. And then we don't open up till 5, but we could probably do that in the next like couple minutes for you. Were you looking to come down soon? Firestone and Atlantic? Oh, wait, we can make it by that time. So we'll make 3 of those by that time real quick. Not a problem. Yeah, just come in through the front door and we can get you going. All right, bye-bye. Boom.
Drink?
I like that.
Hello.
Hey, I love that place.
Right on.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for coming down. I appreciate it. So we're gonna try to be open like this Friday, Saturday, all the time. So like you can kind of have somewhat of a lock and key experience. For right now, it is for a month until April 19th. This is the new. But yeah, we're gonna try to do Friday, Saturday like this. But then we'll become like the liquor store Monday through probably Thursday. So we can do cocktails or something like that. We'll start batching them out. So if you're watching us on Instagram, you'll see a lot of them start popping up now.
You should post yourself like making the drinks.
We're gonna do it. We have a cool video that we're gonna do today, and so just try to make it light of the situation now. I've already cried. It's over with now. Now it's time to do the work. Now it's adapt or die. Now it's time to do the work, and that's why you see us here. So thank you.
Thank you for being here.
No problem.
Alcohol is essential.
You want to put this one in then?
Survival.
I put the candy one there.
Yeah, that one's good. So hopefully we have this video up. Jesus. Kid is playing. No more jiu-jitsu and I can't even have no grip anymore. Alright, so we're going to put this on. I'm going to film a little bit of a video. Kind of poke fun at it. Have a little bit of my hazmat suit on. Kind of go from there. I think I step into it from there. No, it's a zipper. All the stupid things I come up with. There you go. Look at that. Way up.
You ready for jits?
Got it all. Get the gloves going and make a margarita somehow. Alright, so just got an order. Too much for me right now. Okay, so we just got an order, right? For to-go cocktail, and a cocktail, so a plate and a cocktail. 2 PS I Love Yous. The drink that I did. But the thing that's awesome is that they're also requesting, let me cover that up, just for fucking just for Dennis to make the cocktail. If he's available, if it's not too much trouble.
No, I got you. I think I know who you are.
Man. Good job. Fucking still getting good call-outs right now.
Mike's here too, though.
Mike's doing all the work. I'm just garnishing.
Behind the scenes over here. I'm your fucking fluffer, right?
Remember me? And then for us to survive is just one of those things that I've already done for a long time. Is like, okay, we could put these things together right now and start like pushing it, and stay true to what we do. We don't have to go too far away from what we do. Right now we're creating in-home experiences for people. Like they're closing their eyes and like, oh, remember when we were in there?
Yeah.
Like that's what's happening right now. So as long as we like play that game, I think the next 4 weeks, barring no like weird craziness, should be pretty good. I think it should. So now it's just collectively coming into this, coming up with the idea, getting the core group.
Not a bad fucking Saturday, bro. Not a steak, not a burger, not a fried stuff. Fucking get it. tonight like we do every other night. We fucking deep clean the kitchen at the other night. We pull everything out. We drop the fryers. We clean them. So it's just another busy Saturday for us. Deep clean every night after shift. Break everything down. Deep clean. Make sure we pour everything out. Scrub it. Soap. Dry it. Scrub it again. Dry it. It's just another Saturday for us. This whole virus thing it's fucking crazy. But we're treating our kitchens the same way we do every other night. Deep clean, stay clean. You dirty something, wipe it down. Clean after yourself. We can emphasize how fucking much you gotta clean after your mess here.
So this will be the beginning part. It says, I never thought I'd have to make cocktails to go, deviating from a course that I thought was steadfast and true. So I'm gonna just kind of put down my words about what we're doing right now. Like, I mean, this is not anything different than what I'm used to doing, but you know, I mean, come on, cocktails to go now. You know, like, it was always a novel idea. What if we could do that? What if we can? You know, but I never thought it would actually happen. And who knows how fast it goes and reverts back, or if this is just like the norm now. Like they're gonna see it's gonna work now. They're like, oh shit, it's gonna work. Right. So this could be a thing, and this is the adapt or die movement, right? So we'll see. Cheers.
We're gonna do it right now, boss. She had a good time.
We have a good clientele. Yeah.